Hey everyone, today we are going to be making this cute card. All you have to do is use some designer series paper, die cuts from the Arts and Crafts dies. It starts with our art stamp set, and then some glitter enamel dots on top of some shimmer paint, dimensionals, adhesive, all that kind of stuff. You open it up, it features the other side of the designer series paper, and then you can stamp your sentiment in the side. So let's get started. Step one, we're going to take the card base in the Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to take this die cut and I'm going to angle it so that I can take this bottom piece out, and make sure when you cut that you keep this die cut that is going to come out of the paper, because we're going to glue that back on. I'll show you here in a second. I'll be right back. So when you feed it through your die cutting machine, it's going to come out like this. You're going to have this bottom piece, which we are going to get rid of, or you can use it for scraps. You're going to have the die cut itself and then your paper. I'm going to clean this die up so I can get all of these extra little fill-ins out. I'll be right back. Now that I've gotten this taken care of, I'm going to take my designer series paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the card base over, and then I'm gonna glue it so the front of this paper is gonna be on the front of our card. So it's gonna look kind of like that once I glue it down. So I'm just gonna take my adhesive and put that on there. This is always where I also take my bone folder and give it a good burnish so that way the card does not fall apart. And so I lined it up against my crease that I put in the middle, and then it should exactly, well, that's pretty good, line up with your typical card base. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue my edge down here to give it that little lacy look. Now that I have my glue on there, I'm just going to take it and line it up right against that edge that we die cut earlier. And that's going to be the front of our card. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to want a scrap of Whisper White paper. And I'm going to take that Follow Your Art Out stamp it in the Coastal Cabana ink. Now I'm going to take the classic label punch, quickly just fit that right in there. And then I'm going to take some of the mini dimensionals and place them on the back of the classic label punch, kind of being inspired by Mom, using 20 billion dimensionals on one little tiny piece of paper. She's sitting over here while I'm recording this. Try not to laugh. I know it. And I'm just going to place this on the front of the card. Now I've added the shimmer mist to the card, and it added a little bit more sparkle to it. So when you open the card, that designer series paper is going to be the top part, and then inside you can put whatever sentiment you would like. I typically will leave it until I know for the occasion that I'm giving it for, but this is a nice, clean, simple card that you can make in quick 5 minutes. We hope you enjoyed making this card. It's something that you can use for any occasion. Just all you have to do is change that saying out, but it still makes an awe-inspiring card. Look at that. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that way you get notifications on future 5-minute cards that we do. We also have a Facebook group, and make sure that you visit us over on Instagram and our website, stampingbay.com. Thanks, everyone.